They can ring their little bells, but we decide when the war stops. Pass me the bill. It is clearly written here. That no longer applies. Look at the map. We need to contain this immediately. Technically not war. We demand oversight and a vote on authority. Sit down. We will delay the vote and spin this later. We need more data on subsection 4. Approved! Next! Move it along! Keep pushing. They're watching the polls. How are we supposed to spin this? The map is literally on fire. The law has finally caught up to us! This is a disaster.